Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to erase with Apple Pencil. Erasing digital ink on your iPad is straightforward and efficient. We will cover the primary ways to correct your work, ensuring your notes and drawings look exactly as you intend. Whether you are sketching or taking notes, mastering these techniques will save you time and effort. Let's dive into the first method. One of the quickest ways to erase is by using the double tap gesture on your Apple Pencil. Simply tap the flat side of your pencil 2 times, and it will instantly switch to the eraser tool. This allows for seamless transitions between drawing and correcting. To switch back to your previous tool, just double tap the side of your pencil once more. It is incredibly convenient for quick edits. Many applications offer a dedicated eraser tool within their interface. Look for an eraser icon, often found in the toolbar. Once selected, you might have options like a pixel eraser, which removes parts of strokes, or an object eraser, which deletes entire strokes. You can also typically adjust the eraser's size, from a very fine point for detailed work to a broad stroke for larger areas. This gives you precise control. Beyond the standard eraser tools, some applications support advanced gestures. For instance, in certain text fields, you can simply scribble over words you wish to delete. Just draw a line or a few squiggles over the text, and it will disappear. Additionally, many apps allow you to customize your Apple Pencil's double tap action or other eraser behaviors within their settings. Experiment to find what works best for your workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.